Welcome everyone, Dr. Mandell here. And today I want you to slow down for just a moment. Take a deep breath and really listen closely, because what I'm about to share with you is something incredibly simple, yet extremely powerful for your health. There is a golden drink, something that has been used for thousands of years in traditional wellness systems, something that modern science is now beginning to deeply respect and understand. That drink is turmeric milk. Now you may think, it's just milk and spice. How powerful can it really be? But let me tell you something very clearly. When prepared correctly and taken consistently, turmeric milk can support your body in ways that feel almost like a reset from the inside out. Better energy, better sleep, less inflammation, stronger immunity, and a deeper sense of balance inside your body. But here's the problem. Most people are using turmeric completely the wrong way. And because of that, they are not getting even 10% of its real potential. So in today's video, I'm going to break everything down step by step. What turmeric actually does inside your body. Why most people absorb almost nothing from it. How to prepare turmeric milk for maximum benefits. The science behind curcumin. And how this simple nightly habit can support your long-term health. So stay with me until the end, because this might become one of the simplest health changes you ever make. What makes turmeric so powerful? Let's begin with the foundation. Turmeric is not just a yellow spice. Inside turmeric, there is a natural compound called curcumin, and curcumin is the real hero. This is the compound that is responsible for most of turmeric's health-supporting effects. But here is something very important. Curcumin is poorly absorbed by the human body when taken alone. That means you can eat turmeric in food, smoothies, capsules, but most of it simply passes through your system without being fully used. That's why many people say, I tried turmeric, but I didn't feel anything. And the truth is, it wasn't turmeric's fault. It was the way it was used. Because curcumin needs the right conditions to be absorbed properly. And that is exactly where turmeric milk comes in. Why turmeric milk works better than raw turmeric. Now let's understand something very important. Turmeric is fat-soluble. That means it dissolves and absorbs much better when combined with fat. So if you take turmeric with water alone, your body struggles to absorb it. But when you mix it with milk, coconut milk, or almond milk, something interesting happens. The fat content acts like a transport system, helping curcumin enter your bloodstream more efficiently. This is why traditional cultures always combine turmeric with warm milk and spices. They didn't have lab studies, but they had experience. And experience told them this works better when taken together. The science of absorption, why heating matters. Now here is another important point most people don't know. Heating turmeric milk slightly increases its bioavailability. Studies suggest that when turmeric is gently heated, curcumin becomes more active and more usable by the body. Some research shows absorption can increase significantly when heat is applied properly. Now listen carefully. This does not mean boiling it aggressively. It means gentle warming, not burning the milk, slow heating to combine ingredients. This simple step helps unlock more of turmeric's natural compounds. So even though you can drink it cold, warm turmeric milk is far more effective, the perfect turmeric milk recipe. Now let's talk about how to actually prepare it correctly. This is very simple, but precision matters. Take 1 glass of milk, dairy, almond, or coconut milk. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Optional, pinch of black pepper, very important for absorption. Optional, small amount of healthy fat, like coconut oil. Now follow these steps. Pour the milk into a pot. Add turmeric powder. Heat gently on low flame. Stir continuously. Do not boil aggressively. Let it become warm and well mixed. Drink it before bedtime. That's it. Simple but powerful. Why nighttime is the best time. Now you might be wondering, when should I drink turmeric milk? The best time is before bed, and here's why. At night, your body enters repair mode. This means cells recover, inflammation decreases, hormones balance, brain detoxifies. So when you give your body turmeric milk at night, you are basically supporting that natural healing process. Many people report better sleep quality, reduced body stiffness in the morning, feeling lighter and calmer, less discomfort in joints. This is not magic. This is biology working with nutrition. The role of inflammation in your health. Now let's talk about something very important. Inflammation. Inflammation is not always bad, but chronic inflammation is And chronic inflammation is linked to many modern health problems such as fatigue, joint discomfort, heart issues, blood sugar imbalance, brain fog, digestive issues. The problem is, most people don't even realize they have inflammation in their body. It builds slowly over time until the body starts showing symptoms. Turmeric milk supports the body by helping manage inflammatory responses naturally, not by forcing anything, but by supporting balance, turmeric and brain health. Now let's talk about something fascinating. Your brain, curcumin, has been studied for its potential role in supporting brain health. One important factor is a protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This protein supports brain cell growth, memory function, learning ability, neural connections. Low levels of BDNF are linked with cognitive decline. Curcumin may help support healthy levels of this protein in the brain. This is why many people feel mental clarity, better focus, improved mood after consistent use, mood, energy, EOE, emotional balance. Let's talk about something many people ignore. Your mood. Modern life is stressful. Work pressure, screen overload, poor sleep, emotional fatigue. All of these affect your mental well-being. Turmeric milk may help support emotional balance by reducing oxidative stress, supporting brain chemistry balance, promoting relaxation before sleep. Many people describe it as a calming nighttime ritual. Not a stimulant, but a grounding drink. Heart health support. Now let's talk about the heart. Your heart and blood vessels are extremely sensitive to inflammation and oxidative stress. Turmeric milk may support cardiovascular health by supporting healthy cholesterol balance, supporting blood vessel function, reducing oxidative stress in arteries, supporting healthy circulation. This is not about curing disease. It is about supporting the systems your body already has. Blood sugar balance support. Another important area is blood sugar. Modern diets often include excess sugar, processed foods, refined carbohydrates. Over time, this can affect insulin sensitivity. Turmeric milk may help support healthy glucose metabolism, balanced insulin response, reduced sugar spikes. Again, it is not a replacement for diet, but a supportive habit. Immune system support. Your immune system is your defense system, and turmeric has natural properties that may help support immune function. Traditional use shows it may help support natural defense response, microbial balance, body resilience. Combined with warm milk, it becomes a soothing, nightly immune-supporting drink. Digestion, gut health. Many people suffer from bloating, gas, acid discomfort, slow digestion. Turmeric milk may support digestion by supporting bile flow, helping fat digestion, calming gut irritation, supporting gut comfort. A calm digestive system often leads to better sleep and better energy, bones, strength, long-term health. Milk provides nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. When combined with turmeric, it becomes a supportive nighttime drink for bone strength, joint comfort, recovery support. Healthy bones require consistent nutritional support over time. Important usage tips. Now listen carefully. More is not always better. Stick to 1 teaspoon turmeric per day. Avoid excessive doses. Use consistently, not occasionally. Also, add black pepper for better absorption. Use healthy fats when possible. Don't rely on it alone for medical conditions. Final nighttime ritual advice. If you truly want to benefit, make it a habit. Every night, turn off distractions. Prepare warm turmeric milk. Drink slowly. Relax your body. Let your system settle. Your body responds best to consistency, not extremes. Final message. So let me leave you with this thought. Sometimes the most powerful health changes are not complicated. They are not expensive. They are not extreme. They are simple. And turmeric milk is one of those simple habits. A warm cup at night, a few minutes of calm, and a body that slowly begins to feel supported from within. So I challenge you. Try this for a few weeks and observe how your body responds. This is Dr. Mandell, and I hope this simple habit brings more balance, comfort, and wellness into your life. Take care of your body, because it takes care of you every single day. And as always, make it a great day.